So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit text style on the Google Docs mobile application. So if I were to go ahead and just type in text style just like this and you want to edit it, make it look cool, etc., just change the style overall, double tap the text that you want to change. On this middle bar, go to the far right and press the A with the underscore. Then on this page right here, you can scroll down to where it says style and normal text and select that. Then once you're here, you can go ahead and change it. So if you want to make it like a heading style, you can do that. If you want to make it a title style, if you want to make it like heading 6, heading 5, whatever the case may be, a bunch of different styles here. I'll just go to title right here. And if it looks good to you, you can go ahead, exit out of there. And then you've changed the text style here on your document. So that is how you guys can edit the text style on Google Docs, the mobile application. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.